Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. For the last 16 years, I've been trying to provide you with tools, with Excel tools that allow you to manage your business, tools that you will not find anywhere, tools that hopefully have made your business, your day-to-day operations, your tasks better, and hopefully made your life just a little bit easier and allowed you to automate parts of your business, removing human error, and just making your day-to-day life just a little bit better and easier. So every week I get emails from you guys kind of telling me how my tools have helped you with your business, with kind of certain tasks. And I appreciate all your emails. Keep them coming. That's what keeps me going. And it's been fun kind of providing all those tools for you and helping you in your day-to-day operations. And today's tool is no exception. What we're looking at is a dispatch software for service companies that allows you to dispatch your contractors or your employees based on their location. So the goal here is to find the closest contractor to a list of customer, to the customer from a list of customers, and do that in a batch type of format. And again, the tool uses Google Maps API, and our secret formula, our algorithm to allow you to do that really fast, whether it is if you're trying to match 10 clients or 10,000 clients, and match them with the closest contractor so you can assign those jobs, you can assign those service calls very easy. Before I do that, let me kind of tell you all of our tools are built in Excel, and as such there is nothing to install. Feel free to check out our website. We've got dozens of tools there that we've built over the years and that have helped a lot of you running your day-to-day business. So without further ado, let me kind of show you what I have. So once you download the tool, and again you can download the tool by clicking on the link in the description, we have here a list of customers that are conveniently named customer 1 to customer 10, and each customer has their address. Now again, as the tool uses Google Maps API, we can have a full address like it is in this example. You can have just a zip code or a city. Obviously the more detailed, the better the address, the more accurate the results will be. On the contractors sheet, we have a list of contractors, and these are people that can be assigned for service. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to match each one of these customers to the closest contractors from this list of contractors. A lot of people call this tool different things. I call it a dispatch software. Some people use it to figure out the closest store, so call it like a store locator. To my knowledge, this is the only tool of its kind in Excel, and let me show you how it works. Once I've entered my customers, my client, and my list of contractors, all I got to do is click on the conveniently located calculate tool, and the tool will automatically match the customer. Like for example, it'll match customer 1 to contractor 10, and these guys are 10 miles straight line distance and 14 miles driving distance, about 17 minutes. And again, we're using Google Maps API to make those calculations. This is kind of a weird situation where this guy, the customer, and the contractor location is the same. So as you can see, there is 0 mile difference between the two. Obviously, that's the closest location. Maybe they're located in the same building or something. And it really should be as simple as this. Again, you can download the tool by clicking on the description or the link in the description. And you'll also find there a list of my tools, my contact information, my email, and my email and my phone number will be there. Feel free to reach out, and let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you need some changes to it. Let me know if you need a custom tool. I've been helping a lot of you guys for a long time, and I'm looking forward to help you as well. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Till next time.